Hello, I'm David from Trade Nation, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to locate markets and use the Market Explorer. Okay, so we've opened the platform, and the first thing we'll see that we have a list of popular markets. So these are the markets that are most heavily traded by our customers. But if we go over onto the left-hand side, we'll see the Market Explorer tab. If we're looking for something like a stock index, then we need to tick on the folder called indices. And in there, you'll see we've broken things down by geographical location. So we have the Asian indices, European, US, rest of the world, and our differential markets. The differentials, that's one index compared to another. Now, if I look at the Asian markets there, you'll see Australia, Hong Kong, India, and Japan, and so on. If you're looking for a particular FX market, click on the FX tab, and we break it down depending on what the base currency is, so the first name currency. So we have the euro against such and such currencies. If I click here, you'll see the euro against the Aussie dollar, for instance, or the Swiss franc. Click out of here, and we have the same thing for the British pound. Now, if we go on to shares, we group this by country because we have biggest shares in the UK and the US, but we also break the US down. So we have the FANG stocks. If I click on this, you'll see what I mean. This is a list of those big main stocks that have been driving the market and have so much interest at the moment. We have Facebook in there, we have Amazon, we have Apple, we have Alphabet, used to be known as Google, hence the G, and finally Netflix. So you can easily get to and locate those big US tech stocks. Coming out of here, we have our mini markets, and then we have European shares and Irish shares, bonds, energy. If I click up there, you'll see metals as well. If you go into metals, you can see we have precious metals like gold and silver, but we also have industrial metals such as aluminium and copper. So that's how we locate markets, or at least that's one way of doing it. But we can also search for individual markets this way. So all I have to do is type in, let's say, Netflix. And here we go. There it is. Right in our trade box, the search market box, we've got Netflix. We've got two markets there. We have our standard rolling contract, and we also have our mini contract, which is a bit of a lower risk market and attracts a smaller margin requirement. But if I want to go, let's say I'm not really sure what I'm looking for, but I know that there's something to do with gold. I can type in gold here, and this will bring me up a whole list of products which have gold in their title, whether it be an ETF like one of these here, the Direction Daily Gold Miners bear market or the bull market, or we have Goldman Sachs in there, and there we have the price of gold on its own. So you can take these, you can select these, you can drop these into a watch list, but here's a very easy and straightforward way of locating markets within the platform. So I hope you found that helpful. All I could say now is please don't forget, if you want to keep up to date with everything that's going on at Trade Nation, to go to our YouTube channel and click on the subscribe button. In the meantime, I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching and best of luck with your trading.